Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, we can go through the beautiful views of marine world. India's largest public aquarium, Marine World, is home to a variety of small to large magnificent aquatic species accommodated in life-size tanks and overhead aquarium. CISO Institute of Oceanic Studies Private Limited is a techno-commercial venture started in 2007 by a team of expat businessmen and engineers dedicated to the popularization and awareness creation of the knowledge related to oceans, marine and freshwater animals. Marine World offers a unique opportunity for children, research students and adults to admire, learn, enjoy and interact with marine and freshwater animals. It's a beautiful place for the one who loves aquatic animals or aquatic creatures. You can do unlimited fish spa, unlimited fish feeding. Outside there is a small bird park, kids park, 160 rupees per kid for 7 motor rides, which includes pirate ship, cup and saucer, kids giant wheel, toy train, etc. and 80 rupees for non-motorized park. Marine World is a very good place for a small outing with kids. Here the collection of fish is very good. Some really rare breeds on display. Even though we all visit and enjoy the beaches frequently, the venue to understand and have a general awareness of ocean is scarce. CISO here makes a humble initiative to create awareness among the local community, especially the youngsters, to know more about the ocean, which is diverse in biota and environment. The aspects of impact of ocean on climate, need for the protection of ocean, endangered species in the ocean, etc. needs special attention in general awareness perspectives. Therefore, we built a center and named it Marine World. Capacity of 150 plus visitors at a time is available here. Restaurant and souvenir shop inside. Outstanding children's park you can enjoy here. They offers a free service of fish pedicure and fish feeding. Ticket rates are bit high, that is 350 rupees per head. Marine World is a well-designed, well-arranged mega aquarium. They have displayed every fish scientific name and place of spotting along in detail. Apart from native species, rare species from various parts of the world is displayed. Each fish tank is themed according to the specific species or its country of origin. It's been parted as separate chambers for crowd management. First chamber has fish therapy provision also. Deep sea varieties are displayed in another chamber where you cannot use flashlight as it may concern the species which live in low light areas of ocean. All tanks are made using inches thick heavy glass. Visitors are allowed to take photos but no feeding or touching of fishes. It may cause disease as fishes are subjective to tiny environmental changes. The ticket charge is 350 rupees per head for adults, but it's worth. Kids will love the show. This could even use for an academic purpose as everything is well documented. Apart from the aquarium, there is bird park, a small kids play area where they could catch fishes, and a koi fish feeding area. Panchabadi beach is very close. After the visit, do pay a visit to this awesome beach too. It's a good place to visit with family. A large variety of fishes and aquatic animals, well organized and maintained by them. Gates and the ground staffs are very friendly and supportive. It's a must-visit place who loves fishes. Kids and elders are equally gonna like this place. They even have services to carry old people and handicapped. Marine World is a very large aquarium with wide variety of ocean species, entertaining for both kids and adults. The entry fees for adults is Rs 350 per head and for kids it's Rs 250 per head. Next time whenever you will come to Kerala, don't forget to visit this beautiful place. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.